She has lockjaw.
Her last name?
Sinatra.
First name?
Jenna.
Figure out how to undo your temperature.
They're gonna come get you.
Okay. Thank
Okay? How long's it been like that?
Half hour now.
you. Yeah.
Not married yet, are you? Okay, sorry.
Oh, they're really there.
Never seen that before.
Really? That's good to
I'm
know.
sorry to laugh.
You're good.
I think that's it.
Uh-huh.
It hurts when you do that.
Mm-hmm.
So she's gonna start an IV and we're gonna give you some little bit of muscle relaxant stuff.
Okay.
And then we're gonna try and put it back.
Okay.
Okay?
What does a muscle relaxer do?
Just relaxes your whole body and all the muscles.
Yeah, I didn't know we hit it.
Makes you loopy. Did you hear Saeed's gonna give you the good stuff? You getting a little like groggy?
Yeah. I feel like I'm gonna pass out.
Do you?
I don't really want to pass out, but I feel like it. You got muscle relaxer. Now I don't know. I have more pain. I'm drooling. Yay.